So good morning everyone. In the last class we have completed our chapter, that is exponents and powers. So now last bit is remaining. We will do the last bit, and we will do all the example problems. Total 11 example problems are there. We will solve all the 11 example problems now. Okay. So Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. So do you agree with the solution? If not, why? Justify your answer. So Rakesh has solved some problems, whether they are correct or not. If it is correct, why it is correct, and if it is wrong, why it is wrong. We have to justify his answer. Okay. So in that, the first one is fifth bit. This is last exercise number 4.2. So first one is x power minus 3 into x power minus 2 is equals to x power minus 6. So Rakesh has solved in this way, that is he has multiplied the powers, but by our formula we have to add the powers. When both the bases are equal, we have to do addition of powers. So what he did, that is wrong. So it is a false statement. So what he did, that is a false statement. And what is the correct one? X power minus 3 into x power minus 2 is equals to x power minus 5. So this is our correct statement. By using which formula? That is a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So by using this formula, what he did, that is a wrong statement. Next one. X cube by x square is equals to x power 4. So x cube by x power 4, if he solve x cube by x square, he got the answer as x power 4. So this is in the formula of this is in which form? This is in the form of a power m by a power n, that give rise to a power m minus n if m is greater than n. So here m value is greater than n value. So we have to subtract the powers. If you subtract 3 minus 2, it will be 1. X power 1. But he got x power 4. So that is a wrong statement. False statement. And what is the answer here? X cube by x square is equals to x power 1 is our true statement. Okay. So next is third one. What is third one? X square whole cube is equals to x square cube 2 cube is equals to x power 8. So they told that x power 2 cube is equals to x power 2 cube 2 power cube 2 raised to cube is equals to x cube. So whether these three answers you will get the same answers or not, you will see. So here this answer is equals to x cube. This answer is also equals to x cube, it seems. So whether it is true or false, we will see. So x square whole cube is equals to x power 8, he told. Okay. So this is in the form of which formula? This is in the form of a power m whole power n. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the powers. So if you multiply, it will be 2 into 3 will be 6. But he wrote it as x power 8. So x square whole cube is equals to x power 6. That is not equals to x power 8. So what he did, that is a false statement. In the same way, x square whole cube will be equals to x power 8, it seems. So here in this case it will be true, because 2 we have to multiply 8 times. 2 how many times we have to multiply? 2 we have to multiply 3 times. So it will be 8 here. 2 into 2 into 2 will be equals to 8. That is x power 8 will be equals to x power 8. But both answers are not equals to x power 8 there. So in this case it is true. But in this case it is false. So this is our third question. Next is What is the next one? Fourth one. X power minus 2 is equals to root of x, it seems. So x power minus 2 is equals to root of x, it seems. So it is also a false statement, because x power minus 2 we will write in the form of, which formula we are writing in the form of a power minus n, that will be equals to 1 by a power n. So if you write this is in the form of 1 by x square, but this root x is in the form of x power 1 by 2. So these two are not equal. So LHS is not equals to RHS. So what he did, that is a false statement. So last one, 3x power minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3x, it seems. Okay, so here given 3x power minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3x. This x power minus 1 can be written in the form of a power minus n. A power minus n is what? 1 by a power n. So what we will write here? 3 into 1 by x we will write, and this is 1 by 3x. So 3 into 1 will be 3 by x is equals to 1 by 3x. These two are equal to each other? No. So here LHS is not equals to RHS. So what he did, that is a false statement. So this is our last bit in this chapter. Now we are going to start the exercise problems, example problems. So total 11 examples are there. We are going to solve all the 11 examples now. So our first example, example number 1 in page number 89. So what is the first example? Find the values of first one 5 power minus 2, second one 1 by 2 power minus 5, and third one is minus 5 whole square. So now we have to find this. Okay, so now here this is in the form of a power minus n, so we can write in the form of a power n, 1 by a power n. So here given 5 power minus 2, this one we can write in the form of 1 by 5 square. So here 5 power minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 5 square. So if you see the second one, so now this is in the form of a power minus n, so we can write in the form of 1 by a power n. So here 1 divided by 2 power minus 5 I am writing. I am writing with the help of division symbol. So now this is in the form of a power minus n. We can write as 1 by a power n. So 1 divided by 1 by 2 power 5 we can write. Okay, how to divide two rational numbers? The division will be converted to multiplication. The second term will be reciprocal. So 1 into 1 by 1 into 2 power 5 by 1. So it will be how much? 2 power 5 is our answer. So next, third solution. This minus 5, how many times we have to multiply? We have to multiply 2 times because the power has been raised as 2. Okay, so what you will write here? Minus 5 into minus 5, that will be equals to minus into minus is plus, 5 5s is 25. So what is the answer here? Plus 25 is our answer. So this is our example number 1. Next is example 2. So simplify. So we have to simplify the given values. So in that first one is minus 5 to the power of 4 into minus 5 to the power of 6. And second one is 4 power 7 by 4 power 4. And third one is 3 power 5. 3 power 5 by 3 cube divided by 3 power minus 6. So this one we have to solve. So here if you see both bases are equal, we can add the powers. So given minus 5 to the power of 4 into minus 5 power 6. Both bases are equal, we have to add the powers. Minus 5 power 4 plus 6, that will be equals to minus 5 power 10 is our answer. So here which formula we are using? We are using a power m into a power n, that is a power m plus n. So this formula we are using in this case. Okay, so next one is 4 by 7. 4 power 7 by 4 power 4. So this is in the form of which formula already we have did? This 4 power 7 by 4 power 4. So this is in the form of a power m by a power n give rise to a power m minus n if m is greater than n. Okay, that means we have to subtract the powers. That will be 4 power 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is how much? 4 power 3. So what is the answer? 4 power 3 is our answer. 4 power 3 means 4 we have to multiply 3 times. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are is 64. So what is the answer? 64 is our answer. Next, if you see this one, they have given as 3 power 5 by 3 power 3 divided by 3 power minus 6. Okay, so this is in the form of a power minus n. We can write in the form of 1 by a power n. And this is in the form of a power m by a power n. So we can subtract the powers m minus n because m value is greater than n value. Now subtract this values. 3 power 5 minus 3 divided by, here it will be 1 by 3 power 6. Okay, so 3 power 2 divided by 3 power 2 divided by 1 by 3 power 6. How to divide two rational numbers? Division will be converted to multiplication. Second term will be reciprocal. So it will be 3 square into 3 power 6. That will be here. Again we are using one formula. Both bases are equal. We have to add the powers. So it will be 3 power 2 plus 6. That will be equals to 3 power 8. So what is the answer? Our final answer is 3 power 8. So if you see this one, we have used 3 different formulas. One is a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. A power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. M is greater than n. And again we have used here a power m into a power n, that is a power m plus n. We have added the powers. So total 3 different formulas we have used here. Next is third example. Okay, so third example is example number 3. So what is this? Express each of the following with positive exponents. We have to convert them into positive exponents. So in that the first one is 4 power minus 7. Second is 1 by 5 power minus 4. Third is 4 by 7 whole power minus 3. And the fourth one is 7 power minus 4 by 7 power minus 6. So these all negative powers we have to convert into positive powers. So here by using one formula, what is that? We are using a power n, a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. Okay, so we can write here 4 power minus 7 as 1 by 4 power 7. So the positive power, it has been converted to positive power. So if you see this again, already we did like this problem. So given 1 divided by 5 power minus 4 I am writing. So this is in the form of again this formula. So 1 divided by 1 by 5 power 4. So how to divide two rational numbers? Division will be converted to multiplication. Second term will be reciprocal. So 1 into 5 power 4 by 1. So it will be 5 power 4. So the power has been converted to positive. So here given 4 by 7 whole power minus 3. So here I am using a by b whole power minus n. So the terms will be reciprocal. The power will be converted to positive. So b by a whole power n, that is. Okay. So now we can write in the form of 7 by 4 whole power 3. So the power has been converted to positive. And last one, given, I am writing in the form of division. So 7 power 4 divided by 7 power 6. Again these two are in the form of a power minus n, that is 1 by a power n. So we can write 1 by 7 power 4 divided by 1 by 7 power 6 here. So how to divide two rational numbers? Division will be converted to multiplication and second term will be reciprocal. So it will be like this. Okay. So 1 into 7 power 6 is 7 power 6. 7 power 4 into 1 will be 7 power 4. So both the powers are converted to positive powers. So we can apply one more formula here. So we can apply before formula, that is a power m by a power n give rise to. The powers we will subtract because m value is greater than n value. That will be 7 power 6 minus 4. That will be equals to 7 power 2. So this is our third example. Next is example number 4. So what is example number 4? Express 24 to the power of minus 4 as a power with base 3. So we have to express this 27 to the power of minus 4 as a powers of base 3. So base 3, this 27 should convert into base 3. Base is nothing but 27 only. In place of 27, you should get it as 3 there. Now, how to convert this? We have to do prime factorization of 27. So, 27 we can write in the form of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 power. 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. So, 3 power 3 is nothing but 27. And what is the power there? Power is minus 4. So here we are using one formula. What is that? A power m whole power n can be written as a power m into n. So we have to multiply the powers. So it will be 3 power 3 into minus 4. So 3 power 4 3 is 12. So minus 12 you got. Okay. So what is the value? 3 power minus 12 is our answer. So if you want, you can again convert this into a power minus n. So it will be 1 by a power n. So we can write in the form of 1 by 3 power 12. So this is our answer of example 4. Next is example 5. Example 5, simplify. So we have to simplify the terms. So what is the first one? Simplify. In that first one is 1 by 27 into 2 power minus 3. So we have to simplify this. So 27 can be written in the form of 3 terms in prime factorization. So here 1 by 27 into 2 power minus 3. This 27 we can write in the form of 3 cube into 2 power minus 3. This 2 power minus 3 we can write in the form of 1 by 2 square. Okay. Or if you want to convert, you leave it this as it is. Okay. So this one you can write in the form of 3 power minus 3 into 2 power minus 3. So we are applying here one formula, that is second formula. A, B, C whole power n can be written as A power n into B power n into C power n. So they have given in these terms, we have to convert in this term now. That is, we can write 3 into 2 whole power minus 3. That is 6 power minus 3. 6 power minus 3 we can write as 1 by 6 power 3. So this is our answer of first one. Next one is second one. In the second one, 4 power 4 into 16 power minus 2 into 4 power 0. So here 4 power 4 into 16 power minus 2 into 4 power 0. So 4 power 4 is how much? So we can convert this all into the power of 2's. Okay, and 4 can be written as 2 square whole power 4. 16 can be written as 2 power 4, that is 2 power 4 whole power minus 2, and 4 can be written as 2 square whole power 0. Okay, so now multiply the terms. 2 power 2 4 is 8 into 2 power 4 2 is 8, that is minus 8 into 2 power 2 into 0 will be 0. Okay, now all the bases are equal, we can add the powers. So 2 power 8 plus of minus 8 plus 0. So it will be 2 power plus 8 minus 8 will get cancelled. So it will be 2 power 0. So answer will be 1. So what is the answer here? Answer is 1 in this case. So this is our example number 5. Next is example number 6. Next is 6th example. So what is that? Can you guess the value of x when x 2 power x is equals to 1? So here we have to guess the value of x here. They have given 2 power x is equals to 1. So by our condition, that is a power 0 is equals to 1, we can write this 1 as 2 power 0. Okay, so here both bases are equal, in middle you are having equal to sign, we can equate the value. So x value is how much here? X is equals to 0. Next is example number 7. So what is example number 7? We have to find the x values. So in that first one, 25 into 5 power x is equals to 5 power 8. This 25 I am writing in the form of prime factors. 25 can be written as 5 square into 5 power x is equals to 5 power 8. Here both bases are equal. In middle you are having multiplication sign, so we can add the powers. So 5 power 2 plus x is equals to 5 power 8. So this is the last formula. So when both the bases are equal, we are having equal to sign. So we have to equate the powers. That is 2 plus x is equals to 8. I am sending this 2 to other side, that will become subtraction. So x is equals to 8 minus 2. X is equals to 6. So what is the x value here? 6. So next one. Second one. 1 by 49 into 7 power 2x is equals to 7 power 8. So if you say this, 1 by 49 can be written as 7 square into 7 power 2x is equals to 7 power 8. Okay, so now this one we can write in the form of 7 power minus 2 into 7 power 2x is equals to 7 power 8. So here both bases are equal, we have to add the powers. So 7 power minus 2 plus 2x is equals to 7 power 8. Now we are using the last formula. Both bases are equal, we have to equate the powers. That is minus 2 plus 2x is equals to 8. If I transpose this minus 2 to other side, that will become plus 2. So 2x is equals to 8 plus 2. 2x is equals to 10. So if I transpose this 2 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So what is the x value? X value we got it as 5. So this is our second one. Third one is 3 power 6 whole power 4 is equals to 3 power 12x. Okay, so 6 4s are is 24, so we can multiply the powers. 3 power 6 into 4 is equals to 3 power 12x. 6 fours is 24 is equals to 3 power 12x. Here we are using the last formula. We have to equate the powers. 24 is equals to 12x. I'm transposing 12 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 24 by 12. 12 ones are, 12 twos are. So x value is how much? 2 is our answer. Okay. So next last one. Fourth one, that is minus 2 to the power of x plus 1 into minus 2 to the power of 7 is equals to minus 2 to the power of 12. So here both bases are equal. We have to add the powers. So minus 2 x plus 1 plus 7 is equals to minus 2 to the power of 12. Add here 7 plus 1 will be 8. So minus 2 to the power of x plus 8 is equals to minus 2 to the power of 12. Here we are using the last formula. We have to equate the powers. X plus 8 is equals to 12. Transpose this 8 to other side. So x will be 12 minus 8. So x value is how much? 4. So what is the last value? The fourth question answer is 4. Next is example number 8. Example number 8, simplify 2 by 5 whole power minus 3 into 25 by 4 whole power minus 2. So here 2 by 3 we can write this as 3 by 2 whole power 5. And this one we can write in the form of 4 by 25 to the power of 2. Okay. So here 3. This one we can write in the form of 3 power 5 by 2 power 5. Here 4 I am writing in the form of 2 square. So 2 square whole power 2. This 2 I am writing here. 25 can be written as 5 square. And this 2 I am writing here. Okay. So now 3 power 5 by 2 power 5 into 2 power 2 2s is 4 by 5 2 2s is 4. So what is the answer now? It will be, if from 2 power 5 you cancel 2 power 4, it will be only 1. So answer is 3 power 5 by 2 into 5 power 4 is our answer. So this is our 8th solution. Next is 9th one. Example number 9. So simplify 1 by 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 divided by 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. Okay. So now this minus we have to convert into plus. So I am writing this as 3 by 1 whole cube minus 2 by 1 whole cube divided by 5 by 1 whole square. Okay. So it will be 3 cube minus 2 cube divided by 5 square. 1 I am removing. If it is 1 or without 1, the result will be same. 3 cube is how much? 3 we have to multiply 3 times. It will be 27. 2 we have to multiply 3 times. It will be 8. Divided by 5 we have to multiply 2 times. It will be 25. 5 5s is 25. Now 27 minus 8 will be 19. It will be 19 divided by 25. So it will be answer is 19 by 25. So if you simplify this example 9, we got it as 19 by 29. So example 10 and 11, you try by yourself. You can do very easy problems. In next class, I will start a new chapter. I think I will be starting this quadrilaterals, construction of quadrilaterals. So be ready with your compass, protractor, with your geometry set. Thank you.